Hi children, good morning to everybody. Today I am going to start the exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Okay, so here let us start the sum. Since the number is 3.765, we know that the number is between 3 and 4. So we are going to take 3 over here and 4 here. So now between 3 and 4, 10 equal parts we are going to make. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then last one will be 10. So if it is not equal, let us make it equal part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, write it in decimal form now. Whatever the parts you made it, make it decimal. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, the next one will be 4. Now the next number will 1, 7, 6 you need. So what you are going to do, this 3.7 and the next number that is 3.8. These two numbers you are going to take and you are going to magnify. Means you are going to search the number between these two. You are going to magnify these two parts. Okay, between these two you are going to magnify and you are going to check whether the number is lying or not. So here it is going to be 3.7 and here it will be 3.8. This one. This is over here and this one is here. Okay. So now let us make it. How many parts will make? 10 equal parts as usual. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10 equal parts. So write it decimal form. Now decimal when you are writing, be very careful. 3.7. So the first part will be 3.71, first part. Then here 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. Okay. So now just see between which two you have to find out now. See the number 3.76. So where it is? 3.76 over here. So this number and the next number you are going to take and you are going to search the number which is given is between here or not. So let us magnify these two numbers now. One is 3.76 and the another one is 3.78. So here you will take 3.76 and here you will take 3.78. Yes. Now these 10 equal parts you are going to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. Now first number will be 3.7. See here 7, 6 is there. So 761 and then 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769. Okay, and the next number will be 3.78. Yes. Next one, see now. In this, you are going to locate the number which you wanted. So, which number you wanted now? 3.765. Where it is? Over here. This is the number which we want to mark it. So, here it is 77. Yes, children. Yes. Now, just see here. First, what we have done? We have taken 3 and 4. We made it 10 equal parts. there we are identifying 3.7 and 3.8. Now then 3.8, 3.6 and 3.8 we are making 10 equal parts. Again there we are identifying two numbers, that is 3.76 and 3.77. Then again these two we are making 10 equal parts, means between these two we are making 10 equal parts. There we are identifying the number which we wanted to get, that is 3.765. That's it. So very simple. Okay. So just note down and let's move to question number 2 now. Yes children, question number 2 now. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So 26 bar means the 26 is repeated again and again. So how will you write? And they are asking 4 decimal places. It means this number can be written like this. 4.26 bar can be written as 4.2626. We want up to 4 decimal place. So we are written like this, right? So now the first step, you should identify this given number is between which two numbers. So definitely it will be after 4 and after 4 we have 5. So between 4 to 5 the number is going to be. So let us take 4 over here and 5 over here. So now between these two 10 equal parts let us make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And write the decimals now. 4 is there, so just after 4 we have 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, and this is 4.9, and next number is 5. Yes, now just see which number it is. 4.2, where it is? Over here. So you are going to take this number and the next number, that is 4.3, and between these two you are going to search your number. So here you will take 4.2 and here 4.3. So just draw this one. You are going to magnify these two, and so when you are magnifying, the first step is making 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 9. So this way 10 parts we made it. So here it is, just see, 4.2. So the next will be 4.21. 21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28 and 4.29, and next will be 4.30. Yes, now which number you have to locate? 4.26. So 26 where it is? Over here. 4.26 located, and then take the next number, because for the particular number you are going to search between these two numbers. Okay, so which number you are going to take? One is 4.26, 4.26, and another number is over this, that is 4.27. So let us make 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the decimal. So when you are going to write the decimal, be very careful. Now how will you write? What will be the first number? 4.261. Okay, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, and then 4.270. Right? Yes. Now which number it is? 262. Just see where it is. 262 over here. 4.262. So take this number and then the next number, that is 263. So these two numbers we are going to take and we are going to search, means we are going to locate up to 26, right? Yes, now here 4.262 and here 4. This number 263. Okay, this we are taken. Now 10 equal parts we will make. So the first part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 and 9. So the first one, see here 262. So you will write 4.2621. 2621. And then 4.2622. Then 4.2623. Then 4.2624. Then 4.2625. Then 4.2626. Then 4.2627. 4.2628. 4.2629. Okay, so just now see what you need. We have to locate 4.2626. So you can search over here where it is there or not. So just see here, this one is 4.2625 and the next number is 4.2626, which is given over here. So our answer is over here. Means we have visualized the number in the number line. The place is over here. That's it. Okay, so this is the required number. That's it. So it's, I think, very simple. All would have understand. So thank you very much to everybody. Let's meet in the next video with the next concept. Thank you.